This ageless salon classic is an essential technique, but firstly focus on the hair diagnosis. Then take into consideration the amount of new growth. This will determine application. Another key factor is ensuring the amount of product saturation and the required levels of lift is achieved. All these crucial key facts will help create a clean canvas for your toning technique.
Conduct a creative consultation. Ensure you analyze the texture and density of the hair as part of the consultation. This enables you to select the correct amount of product and activator strength to achieve a sufficient level of lift. Create a radial parting from ear to ear, then a profile parting from the crown to the nape. Put on protective gloves. Begin the application at the crown area for ease of application. Take ½ inch of alternative partings and apply Formula 1 to the new growth area, working towards the nape. Continue until the section is complete. From the crown area, subdivide the hair into a profile parting. Take alternate ½ inch horizontal partings and apply Formula 1 to the new growth area, working towards the hairline. Once complete, process the colour for up to 40 minutes. Rinse and remove with TIGI Copyright Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. We recommend applying a TIGI Copyright SOS Extreme Recovery Treatment to strengthen the hair after the lightening service. Create a curved section from high recession to high recession, finishing a few inches back from the fringe area. Then create a profile parting, followed by a radial parting. Put on protective gloves. Starting at the nape, take slight diagonal 1-inch partings and apply Formula 2 from the roots to the ends. Repeat on the opposite side and continue taking alternate partings until the section is complete. Progressing towards the hairline. Continue with the same application until the section is complete. Then repeat on the opposite side. Within the curved section, take ½ inch slight diagonal partings. Apply Formula 2 to the root and with a smudging technique apply Formula 3 to the length and ends. Process visually for up to 20 minutes, then rinse and remove with your chosen TIGI copyright care regime.
Oh.